Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have brought you the method to make a delicious curry. Let's see what we need to make this. First, let's clean our rich gourd. We need to remove the edges of the rich gourd. These edges we need to peel. A medium size onion and garlic we need to peel and chop this. Next, wash 1 cup of dal. Place a pot on the stove. Add 3 tablespoons of oil, and as the oil heats up, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seed, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, pandan leaf and curry leaf, the chopped onion and garlic. Saute all of this for a while. Now add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of chili flakes and mix it well. Once these have fried for about a minute, add the washed dal. To these add 1 cup of water and 1 teaspoon of salt. Cook the dal until the water reduces. Once the water has reduced, add the rich gourd pieces. Mix everything well. Add half a teaspoon of mustard powder. Add 1 cup of thick coconut milk to this. When the milk is boiling well and the rich gourd is cooked, remove it from the stove. So we have finished making our rich gourd and dal mix curry. I really hope you try this recipe at home and enjoy the flavors. To watch more videos like this and join my cooking journey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I will be back soon with a new video. Until then, bye.